Hey, what is up, guys? It is Corsha Lishell, and if you're loving this look, keep watching because I'm going to give you every detail from the makeup to the hair. I'm going to start off with my Garnier Fruit Cheese Micellar Water just to cleanse my face and start off with a blank canvas. Then I'm going to take my Master Primer by Maybelline, which I'm going to put everything in the description box below. So just in case you missed something or can't screenshot, it will be in the description box below. Then I'm going to go with my Badescu Rose water, and I'm going to spray this on before I do my makeup because I do have dry skin and I want to make sure my skin is hydrated. Now I'm going to move on to my brows. I know they're jacked up, but it's is okay. And I don't remember what this, what do you call it, eyebrow gel was. I don't know what brand it was. It was just a good one that I think I found at the hair store. I kind of like it better than Anastasia Beverly Hills, to be honest, because it just goes on really, really smoothly. I'm going to do one of my eyebrows now. Well, I'm going to start my eyebrows, and I'm going to finish them off camera and come back just because eyebrows take forever. Boom. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm just going to blend out my concealer, which I do have a separate eyebrow tutorial if you guys want to check out my eyebrow tutorial. I'll link that in the description box as well. So now I'm just going in with some concealer. And since I am a freckle face girl, I'm going to put that concealer on my eyelids to make a light blank canvas when I put my eyeshadow on. And I'm also going to put it in my T-zone pretty much, like underneath my eyes and underneath my nose. Then I'm taking my Morphe M1 something. It'll be in the description box below. And I'm just going to blend that out with that brush first and then blend it out with my beauty blender just to pick up some of the excess product that's left there. So boom, 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 boom. Y'all see the James Charles palette? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm going to go in with this neutral color, I guess. Put it on my eyelid. I'm going to blend it all over my eyelid. And it looks darker on camera, but that's perfectly fine because it's going to help when I start putting my colors on. But it's really a neutral color just to make sure that my eye is all the same shade all the way through. Y'all see? But okay. I think the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. I'll pop in and pop out if I need to, but just watch the video and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And as y'all see, I used 3 different shades. The first one was for my entire shade. The second one was for the top crease. And the third one was for my bottom crease, which is the one I'm putting in right now. I'm just putting that in the lower crease, if that makes sense. And then just kind of blending it in with the rest. So I'm taking this fluffy e.l.f. brush that I found at CVS somewhere. And now I'm just dispersing it and blending all 3 of those shades together. So the same brush that I just kind of faked a crease with, I'm going to dip into that gold shimmer at the top of the palette and put this at that front corner and drag it to make like a crease line. Now I'm going to go in with like this flat kind of fluffy brush by Morphe, and I'm going to take that olive or green shimmer color and just put that in the middle of my eyelid to bring everything together. And then finally, I'm going to take this light orange in that first shade of orange that I used before, and I'm going to put this in the outer corner of my eye just to bring it all solid. So it is one look and you don't really see any harsh lines outside of that kind of orangish brown line at the top of my eye, which I intentionally want it to be there. I really, really like it like that. Some people may not like that line. They may want to blend out a bit more. If you want to blend out a bit more, take that e.l.f. brush that I was using earlier and just go in like I'm doing and blend it. Now, you may have to blend a lot longer than I did if you don't like the line, but I like the line, so I didn't blend too much. It's time for foundation. I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 330. I mix both the matte and the dewy because the dewy is a lighter shade, so I put that in kind of like my T-zone area, and the 330, it gives me that tanned look that I like. Now, if you're a freckled face beauty, you understand how sometimes you're lighter and sometimes you're darker, but the 330, it gives me the same shade that fits my undertones and my high tones. And for some reason, my makeup started looking really, really dark right here. So what I'll do is I'm going to take the mirror and put it up to the side of my face very often, just so y'all can see that light reflecting on it, so you can really see how the look is coming out. And once I finish blending that foundation in, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on the top of my cupid's bow or my lip, and also on my chin. So typically where you would put concealer in your T-zone areas. So clearly you guys can see that I'm dusting away my setting powder, but I'm also going to take my beauty blender once I finish dusting the setting powder away, and I'm going to dab it on my face with whatever was left over from when I set underneath my eyes. And the reason that I'm going to do this is because I want to bring my contour powder in with my setting powder so that I don't have any harsh lines. I just want to say, excuse my lashes. These are some cheap hair store lashes that I had to pick up because my lash plug is not in the same city as me and I refuse to shop anywhere else, okay? Now, here is a lip secret that I don't really tell everybody, but I'm going to tell y'all because y'all my family. I'm going to take a liquid eyeliner, a brown eyeliner, and I'm going to use that to line my lips up. And I'm just going to bring it in on the sides of my lips so I can get like this little fake ombre bubblicious lips. And I'm going to top it with some gloss. So y'all going to see it's going to be really, really cute. Okay, girls, so our makeup is done. Now it's time for the hair. No, this video is not sponsored, but I do use my Edge Booster hair gel. The one I'm using is the Coconut Banana. You can get it from any local beauty supply store. I'm just going to put it on my edges to smooth it down and slick my edges back as I like so do. If you'd like to know how to do my edges, there is a separate video on my edges, so go look for that on my channel. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs it up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you didn't like it, leave some constructive criticism on how to improve it. And please subscribe to my channel for more of Corsha Lishell, guys. Peace out.